Welcome to Torpedo's YouTube channel. Today, we'll walk you through how to obtain and configure the Celebration Spotlight Ace for SharePoint. Let's get started. To begin, we'll walk through acquiring the Celebration Spotlight Ace through the SharePoint store and granting the necessary API permissions via SharePoint administration. First, navigate to the site where you intend to add the Ace. In the SharePoint interface, click on the gear icon to access the Settings menu. Select Add an App. From there, choose From SharePoint Store and click on Find More Apps in the SharePoint Store. This will open the Microsoft Store, allowing us to search for the Celebration Spotlight Ace. In the Microsoft Store, use the search bar and enter Torpedo to locate the product. Search for Celebration Spotlight Ace for SharePoint and click on it. Click Add to Apps site. A pop-up will appear notifying us that the Ace requires several API permissions for its proper functionality. Be sure to select Enable this app and add it to all sites to activate the Ace and make it available across multiple sites. After a few moments, the Ace will be added to your tenant. However, before using it, we need to grant API access, as prompted by the Permissions Approval pop-up. To approve these permissions, go to the SharePoint Admin Center. Click on Show All, then All Admin Centers, and select SharePoint. In the SharePoint Admin Center, go to Advanced, then API Access. You'll see a list of all pending API requests. Find the requests labeled Celebration Spotlight Ace for SharePoint and review the required permissions. Approve each permission, which are needed to access user information required for obtaining the name, email, department, job title, birthday, and hire date. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Approve again to finalize. After approving the permissions, you are now ready to create or edit a Viva Connections dashboard and add the Celebration Spotlight Ace to it. After acquiring the Ace and configuring API permissions, the next step is to create a dashboard. To do this, you'll need to access the root site of your tenant, as Viva Connection settings are only available from there. Go to the Settings menu and select Manage Viva Connections. Then click on Create Dashboard if none exists, or View Dashboard if one is already present. You'll be redirected to the dashboard page where you can click the Edit button to start customizing. To add the Celebration Spotlight Ace, click on Add a Card. You can either search for the Ace by its name or scroll through the list until it appears. Once selected, you'll be prompted to edit its properties. Click on Edit, and you'll see the Ace property panel. Here you can configure the card size, set the data source, which in this example will be Entra ID, though you could also use a SharePoint list. Map the fields to the data you'd like to display from Entra ID. Specify the type of celebration to show, such as personal birthdays, work anniversaries, or company welcomes. Select the timeline of celebrations, whether recent, today's events, or upcoming celebrations. Define the time interval for the celebrations listed. Once all configurations are complete, click Republish to publish the dashboard. You'll then see the Celebration Spotlight Ace in action. Clicking the See All button allows you to view all current celebrations for your organization's employees. Finally, you can add this dashboard to the main page of your root site. To do this, click the Edit button on the main page. Click the plus button and search for the dashboard you created, or scroll through the list to find it. Add it to the page and click Republish. Now, your main site page features the dashboard, showcasing the Celebration Spotlight Ace with all the configured celebrations. Be sure to check out our other amazing products and videos, and thank you for watching.